Here are the top 5 vitamins for anti-aging. Vitamin number 5. Vitamin E, the skin guardian. Okay, so starting off at number 5 is vitamin E, and it totally deserves this spot because of how awesome it is for your skin, cells, and immune system. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant, which means it's like a superhero that protects your body from free radicals. Now, free radicals are nasty little molecules that come from pollution, sunlight, stress, and even junk food. They damage your cells over time, kind of like how metal rusts. That damage is a big part of what causes aging. Wrinkles, sagging skin, and even some diseases. So, vitamin E steps in like a shield and slows down that aging process. Pretty cool, right? But that's not all. It also boosts your overall wellness by supporting your immune system, helping you fight off colds and infections. And it keeps your blood vessels nice and healthy so your heart keeps pumping strong. Now, where can you get vitamin E from? Here are the top 3 foods: almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds, with sunflower seeds being the best source of them all. You can make sunflower seed and avocado salad. For that, you will need 1 ripe avocado, diced, 1 cup baby spinach, 2 tablespoons sunflower seeds, a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice, a pinch of salt. Mix these ingredients in a bowl. Boom! You've got a crunchy, creamy salad full of skin-saving vitamin E. Recommended daily intake for adults is around 15 milligrams of vitamin E per day. For sunflowers, the recommended daily intake is 2 tablespoons. This will give us about 7.4 milligrams, nearly 50% of daily needs, of vitamin E. 5.5 grams of protein, 2.4 grams of fiber, and about 164 calories. That protein helps build new tissues and muscles, while fiber keeps your gut clean and helps your body absorb nutrients better. A healthy gut equals better skin, and less inflammation equals slower aging. If someone doesn't get enough vitamin E, they might feel weak, have dry or wrinkled skin early, poor vision, or even nerve problems. A study published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology showed that vitamin E, when combined with vitamin C, significantly reduced sun damage and wrinkles. That means it literally helps keep your skin younger. Scientists also love how it prevents oxidative stress, a fancy term for when your body gets overwhelmed by those free radicals we talked about. So vitamin E is our number 5, not because it's the least important, but because we have even more powerful anti-aging vitamins coming up next. If you are watching this video, please tell us where you are watching this video from. We would like to know where our community is from. We wish you all the best. Vitamin number 4. Vitamin B3, niacin. The energy and glow booster. Coming in strong at number 4 is vitamin B3, also known as niacin. Think of niacin as your body's energy spark plug. It helps turn the food you eat into fuel for your cells. Without it, your body would feel like a car trying to drive without gas. But here's where it gets exciting for anti-aging. Vitamin B3 helps repair DNA. Yes, your body's instruction manual can get damaged over time from sun, stress, and chemicals, and niacin helps fix those pages. It also keeps your skin hydrated, smooth, and glowing, and even strengthens your brain health and memory as you age. When it comes to overall wellness, niacin supports heart health by managing cholesterol levels. It boosts good cholesterol, HDL, and lowers bad cholesterol, LDL. So your blood keeps flowing like a clean river, not a clogged drain. It also helps your nervous system, keeping your brain sharp and your mood steady. Now let's find niacin in your kitchen. Here are the top 3 food sources: chicken, brown rice, and tuna, with tuna being the best of them all. To make a quick garlic tuna steak, you will need 1 tuna steak, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 clove garlic, minced, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. To prepare, you need to rub the tuna with garlic, oil, salt, and pepper. Sear it in a hot pan for 2 to 3 minutes each side. Splash on some lemon juice, and boom! Restaurant-quality dinner packed with vitamin B3. The daily intake for adults is about 14 to 16 milligrams of niacin per day, and for tuna, it's about 85 grams cooked. In 85 grams of tuna, we have 11 to 14 milligrams of vitamin B3, niacin, which is almost 100% of daily needs. We have 22 grams of protein and around 110 calories. That protein helps build and repair tissues, keeping skin firm and muscles strong. Tuna also has selenium, a mineral that fights cell damage, and omega-3 fats, which reduce wrinkles by keeping skin plump and moist. If you don't get enough vitamin B3, your skin might look rough or scaly. You might feel super tired all the time, have brain fog, or even depression. In extreme cases, deficiency leads to pellagra, a condition with skin, digestive, and mental problems. Not fun. A study in the New England Journal of Medicine showed that high doses of niacin improve cholesterol and reduce heart disease risk. And other research from dermatologic therapy found that niacinamide, a form of B3 used in skincare, improves skin tone, texture, and elasticity, making it a favorite ingredient in anti-aging creams. If you like this video so far, consider liking and subscribing to our channel. It helps motivate us to continue making videos like this. Vitamin number 3, vitamin B12, the brain and nerve protector. All right, now we're getting into the big leagues with vitamin B12, our number 3 vitamin in the anti-aging countdown. Vitamin B12 is like your brain and nerve system's best friend. It helps keep your brain sharp, supports nerve function, and plays a key role in making red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your whole body. That means more energy, better focus, and a longer-lasting memory. Hello, aging gracefully. B12 also helps make DNA, which is like your body's instruction manual, and keeping it healthy slows down aging at the cellular level. When it comes to overall wellness, B12 helps prevent fatigue, keeps your heart healthy, and supports your mood by helping make serotonin, a happy chemical in your brain. It's essential for older adults especially, since our bodies absorb less of it with age. The top 3 food sources of B12 are sardines, eggs, and beef liver. Beef liver is the best source of vitamin B12. Here is a recipe for beef liver. You will need 1 slice of beef liver, 100 grams, half an onion, sliced, 1 teaspoon olive oil, salt, and pepper. Cook onions in oil until soft. Add liver, season, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side. It's surprisingly delicious when cooked right. Daily intake for vitamin B12 in adults is around 2.4 micrograms. Recommended daily intake of beef liver is 100 grams. 100 grams of beef liver contains about 70 to 80 micrograms of vitamin B12, which is over 30 times of daily needs. It also contains 20 grams of protein. The high protein helps repair body tissues and supports strong muscles, and beef liver also provides iron, zinc, and vitamin A, all critical for skin renewal and immune defense. These nutrients work together to slow down physical signs of aging. If you don't get enough B12, you might feel tired, confused, depressed, or even experience tingling in your hands and feet. Over time, deficiency can lead to memory loss or nerve damage. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults with higher B12 levels performed better on memory and cognitive tests. Another study linked B12 deficiency to faster brain shrinkage as we age. Yikes! Better eat that liver. Vitamin number 2. Vitamin C, the collagen creator. Sliding into second place is the ever-popular vitamin C. Now you probably know it as the immune vitamin. But did you know it's a master of collagen production? That's the protein that keeps your skin firm, smooth, and wrinkle-free. As we age, collagen breaks down, but vitamin C helps your body make more of it. It's also a mighty antioxidant, protecting your skin and cells from aging caused by pollution, stress, and UV damage. Beyond beauty, vitamin C boosts immunity, helps heal wounds faster, supports iron absorption, preventing anemia, and acts as a natural stress reducer. Top 3 food sources of vitamin C are guavas, red bell peppers, and kiwi, with guavas being the best sources of them all. To prepare guava and mint smoothie, you will need 1 ripe guava, peeled and chopped, half a banana, a handful of mint leaves, half a cup water or coconut water. Blend all the ingredients until smooth to get refreshing, tropical, and full of glow juice. The recommended daily intake of vitamin C for adults is about 75 to 90 milligrams. Recommended daily intake for guava is 1 medium fruit. 1 medium guava contains about 125 milligrams of vitamin C, which is over 100% daily needs. It also contains 2.6 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, and about 38 calories. The fiber keeps digestion running smoothly and helps detox your body, while protein and other antioxidants like lycopene in guava protect cells from aging. A clean gut and healthy cells equals radiant skin. A lack of vitamin C can lead to early signs of aging like sagging skin, dullness, easy bruising, and even bleeding gums. Long-term deficiency causes scurvy, which is as nasty as it sounds, weakness, joint pain, and slow healing. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who consumed more vitamin C had smoother, more youthful-looking skin and fewer wrinkles. It also showed that vitamin C levels were strongly linked to slower biological aging. In order for the vitamins we mentioned in this video to work, you have to make it your lifestyle with other anti-aging habits. We have put a video about top 5 anti-aging teas and top 5 anti-aging seeds at the end of the video. Click on any one of the video to learn other anti-aging foods. Vitamin number 1. Vitamin D, the longevity vitamin. Vitamin D, aka the sunshine vitamin. It earns this top spot because of how deeply it supports the entire body, from your bones and immune system to your mood and longevity. What's really amazing is that vitamin D helps regulate inflammation, which is a huge cause of aging. Chronic inflammation leads to wrinkles, joint pain, fatigue, and even heart disease. Vitamin D helps turn that fire off in your body. It also helps keep your bones strong, preventing age-related problems like osteoporosis. And recent studies show it may even help slow biological aging by protecting your DNA and telomeres, the little caps on your chromosomes that shrink as you age. Top 3 food sources of vitamin D are salmon, egg yolks, and fortified milk, with salmon being the best source. To get vitamin D, we can make baked salmon. You will need 1 salmon fillet, lemon juice, garlic, olive oil. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. It's flaky, flavorful, and filled with anti-aging goodness. The recommended daily intake of vitamin C in adults is about 15 to 20 micrograms. And for salmon, the recommended daily intake is 100 grams. In 100 grams of salmon, we get up to 95% of vitamin D daily needs, 20 to 25 grams of protein, and about 206 calories. This protein supports muscle tone and recovery, and salmon's omega-3 fatty acids fight inflammation and protect the skin's moisture barrier, helping reduce fine lines and sun damage. Without enough vitamin D, people may feel tired, moody, achy, and their bones can become weak. Long-term deficiency increases the risk of osteoporosis, heart problems, and faster aging overall. A large study in the Journal of Aging Research linked higher vitamin D levels to longer telomeres, which means slower aging at the genetic level. It's literally connected to how